Summing up. A. The physical states of matter. The physical states of matter, also referred to as aggregated states, are liquid, solid, and gaseous. Aggregated states depend on the composition of the matter itself, on temperature, and on pressure. The characteristic properties of the three aggregated states are distinct. A solid maintains a fixed volume and shape. A liquid maintains a fixed volume but adapts to the shape of its container. And gas is the state in which matter expands to occupy whatever volume is available. B. Homogeneous and heterogeneous systems. Phase is defined as an amount of matter being physically distinct and occupying a defined area, and that has uniform intensive properties. Systems can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. A homogeneous system is a system consisting of a single phase. A heterogeneous system is a system consisting of two or more phases. C. Pure substances and mixtures. A pure system consists of just a single substance with characteristic properties and constant composition. A mixture is a system consisting of two or more pure substances that do not chemically combine. A mixture of two or more substances is homogeneous when its components are mixed evenly and do not exhibit a difference in phase. A mixture is heterogeneous when it is made up of two or more different substances and exhibits at least two physically distinguishable phases. For example, oil and water. D. Changes in state. Changes in state involve the transformation of matter from one physical state to another. For example, from liquid to solid, due to changes in temperature and pressure. Fusion is the transition from solid to liquid. Evaporation is the transition from liquid to gas vapor. Sublimation is the direct transition from solid to gas vapor. Solidification is the change from liquid to solid. Condensation is the change from gas vapor to liquid. And deposition is the transition from gas vapor to solid. Every pure substance has a heating curve with characteristic boiling and melting temperatures that are dependent on the pressure at which the change of state occurs. E. The main methods of separation of mixtures and substances. Filtration is the separation of solids from a mixture through the use of filters. A centrifuge is used to separate heterogeneous mixtures of liquids and/or solids with different densities. Extraction is the separation of a component of a mixture by means of a solvent. Chromatography is the most versatile separation technique. Components of a mixture are separated as they move with differing speeds on a support, called a stationary phase, driven by a solvent, mobile phase. Distillation is the preferred method for the purification of liquids and is based on the volatility of the different components of liquid mixtures.